You getting sick. Now you officially are sick. So y'all pray for me in this rain. It's coming. Damn rain. Are you ready? Come on, we gotta get started. Come on. Okay, let's do this. We can talk to it.
Okay, I guess we'll talk. So, Brittany's doing my hair because I have a cheer competition. And we go for FEC, Fresno Elite Cheer. So basically, it's like braids to a back butt. I look at, like, I have one of those, like those kind of hairstyles where it's all over your head.
Mohawk?
No, but like, yeah, mohawk, but like round mohawk.
It hurt?
Kinda.
Sorry. I need to hair tie. I heard about like 16,000 hair ties in here.
You do with paper towels, Brittany.
So the paper towel's gonna make it into a donut. So I don't know how to shape it without the.
So the paper towel's gonna stay in the whole time?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
As tight as I'm about to do it, it's not gonna know.
Until the competition is over.
Yeah, I need to take it out. Catch it.
What is this for?
That's gel. To shape it. Curly. So your hair curls up so fast. It's like work fast.
You mean it like puffs up?
Mm-hmm. If we don't work fast, it is not.
It's like 6 in the morning right now.
Good 6:30.
I'm gonna have to try to make it in 2 hours because it's 6.
Oh shit. That's what I'm doing.
Wasn't it up on right here?
Huh?
Wasn't it up on right here?
I thought it was right here.
It was right here.
It was right here?
And yeah, on the middle of my head. Hello. Hi. So this is how the bun turned out. And now we are gonna put it in the bowl. So that's how it looks now.
There we go. Yay! We are on our way to, I want to say Pleasanton, California. It's up towards, it's the Bay Area for the competition. Amber just stopped and got her starter spread, and then we'll be on our way. So it is raining so freaking hard out here, and I swear this is why I bought 2 jackets, because I had a feeling that I was gonna get soaked. So I was gonna put this jacket on, but I get so hot so fast that I was like, I don't know if I want to do it. So then I was feeling my jacket right here, but the inside didn't get wet, but the outside is wet. So I don't know if I should like change it or what, but I really want to put this on because it's not that hot. But this is, the inside of this is like this, and then the outside it's a lot. It's very giving snow, but it's raining. So I'm thinking about just putting on my little wet jacket and call it a day and get back in this rain. I came out here. The thing is, I looked at my umbrella and was like, they probably won't let me in here with it, because last time they didn't let us take purses. So I was like, well, then I was like, fuck, it's raining. It's a fairground. Dumbass. Now you walked in the rain. You already feel like you're getting sick. Now you officially are sick. So y'all pray for me in this rain. It's coming down so bad. Okay, yeah, pray for me.